Have you ever struggled to extract a specific line from an image? It can be quite a challenge, especially when dealing with laser lines. If that's you, stick around because today we're diving into how to extract a laser line from an image using OpenCV. I totally understand your frustration. You take a picture of a laser line and then you find out there are unwanted points cluttering your image. You're not alone in this. Many people face similar issues when working with image processing. Let's look at the specific question at hand. One user asked, "How can I extract a laser line from an image?" They shared an image of a red laser line and mentioned that while they extracted the red channel, there were still points that didn't belong to the line. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? When you extract the red channel, you might still capture noise or other colors that interfere with the laser line. Understanding how to filter out these unwanted points is key to achieving a clean extraction. And don't go anywhere. I have a powerful technique to share at the end that will help you tackle even more complex situations, like extracting a green laser line. To begin extracting the laser line from the image, the user should first convert the image to the HSV color space. This will help in isolating the color of the laser line more effectively. Next, the user should define the color range for the green laser line. This involves setting the lower and upper bounds for the green color in the HSV space. After defining the color range, the user can create a mask that highlights the areas of the image that fall within this range. This is done using the OpenCV function for masking. To refine the mask and remove noise, the user should apply morphological operations such as erosion and dilation. This will help in cleaning up the mask and isolating the laser line. Finally, the user can extract the laser line from the original image using the refined mask. This will allow them to visualize the laser line clearly. Fun fact, did you know that lasers were first invented in the 1960s? They have come a long way since then, and now we can use them for all sorts of cool applications, including image processing. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. Now, let's tackle a more challenging situation. One user mentioned needing to extract a green laser line, which has a wider and changing color range. This can complicate the extraction process, but don't worry, we have strategies for that too. An alternative approach to extracting a laser line involves using the OpenCV function InRange. This method allows you to define a lower and upper bound for the red color in the image. It produces a binary image where white pixels indicate areas within that color range. This method is more efficient than simply finding the highest value in each row. Additionally, you can further process the binary image to find contours, which can help in creating a smooth curve of the laser line. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative approach to extracting a laser line involves using contours. The user suggests two methods. First, collect contours along the laser line and find the straight line with the smallest mean. Second, try to heuristically combine separated lines for a more complete extraction. The user provides a code example using OpenCV. It includes steps to filter the red hue, process contours, and draw the detected line on the image. This method works well for the user's case, but may require additional work with contours. Here's the takeaway. Mastering these techniques will not only help you with laser lines, but also enhance your overall image processing skills. Keep practicing, and you'll see great results. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to extract laser lines from images effectively. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on image processing.